Hello my lovelies, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm going to be showing my spring home tour 2018. Most of these items are DIYs and I'll go ahead and link that playlist down below. I just love the way this fairy garden greets my guests as they walk up to the front door. As you walk in, you are greeted with a nice, beautiful succulent wreath. This was also a DIY that I'll have listed down below. Guys, how warm is this corner? It's so shabby chic. I absolutely love it. I love the way the tray just sits there and someone just threw a little bouquet of flowers onto it. This tray, I picked it up today from Home Goods and it was only $9 in the clearance section. Yes, you heard right, $9. I'm definitely going to be using this in other areas of the house. If you guys saw my previous video on the fairy globes, you noticed that they were sitting on the windowsill. I decided to go ahead and hang them up. You know, that's the way these globes are intended to be used. I just simply put some command hooks on my cabinets and hang them straight from there. I just love the way they came out. This way it gives me something to look at as I'm standing at my kitchen sink, doing any dishes. Each little fairy has their own personality and they're doing their own little thing in their houses. I just love the way this came out. I know the camera's not doing it justice, but trust me when I tell you they are stunning. These are the actual command hooks. You have to let them dry for about an hour before hanging anything up. I actually let mine dry for about 2 hours just to make sure, since they are going to be carrying the weight upside down. And this is the look of the area surrounding my kitchen sink. This is the last item I want to show you guys. I have this succulent fairy garden nestled on top of my table in my back porch. This succulent I've had for about 2 to 3 years, and it kind of reminds me of a tree. I just nestled the fairies right underneath, like if they're having a picnic, and I absolutely think this is adorable. Thank you for watching my video. I have had so much fun bringing you guys my decorations for the spring. Like always, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to leave a comment. I definitely like to hear you guys' feedback. Love ya.